Are you thinking about buying a home here in Western Washington, but unsure whether to go for a brand new one or an older property? Brandy and I have had a lot of questions around this topic. So today, we're going to explore some of the newer communities around the area to help you decide if new construction is the right choice for you. When weighing the options between a new home and an older one, there are several benefits and drawbacks to consider. In this video, we'll be sharing some of the pros and cons with you, as well as looking at a few new construction homes. We'll start right here in our own backyard, Normandy Park, Washington. Be sure to stick around until the end to hear some of the pitfalls of purchasing new construction. And let's get into it right now. If this is your first time to our channel, don't forget to subscribe and tap the bell icon for notifications. We're here to guide you through every step of the buying, selling, and living in Western Washington. From expert advice to practical tips, we've got everything you need to make an informed decision. So join our community today and start your home buying journey with confidence. I'm William, and together with my wife and partner, Brandy, we are the WB Nobles Real Estate Team. We love what we do, whether it's exploring the stunning neighborhoods of Western Washington or helping you find that perfect place to call home. Whether your move is just around the corner or still on the horizon, we're here to guide you every step of the way. All our contact details are right below, so don't hesitate to reach out. Today, we're exploring some incredible new construction homes right here in Normandy Park, Washington. Now, Normandy Park is a well-established neighborhood with a small and tight-knit community. So new homes here are a bit rare. You won't find any big master plan communities like in some of the other areas. What you will see though are some beautiful renovated older homes, or sometimes older homes that have been torn down and replaced with brand new builds. It gives this neighborhood a really unique character. One of the biggest advantages of buying a new home is the modern design and layout. New homes often have open floor plans, larger kitchens and bathrooms, and are built with energy efficiency in mind, right? Energy efficiency, especially here in Washington, is really important in the Puget Sound area. These homes are built to the latest standard. From energy efficient appliances to better insulation, these homes are designed to save you money long term. Now, let's dive into the first home on our tour. You may recognize this beautiful home behind me from Discover Normandy Park, one of our previous videos we've done. If you haven't seen it, be sure to go check it out. This home was built in 2023 by Terrain Signature Properties, a luxury builder that has been crafting homes in the Pacific Northwest for 27 years. With 5 bedrooms and 4 baths, it's just over 3,600 square feet of living space. This home is truly stunning. It was listed for over $2.4 million and sold for $2.3 million this past July. What we loved about this property was how much natural light filled the room. You got this expansive main room where the kitchen, dining, and living space blend seamlessly together. And check out the outdoor space. It's perfect for gatherings with its covered sitting area, large sliding doors, and outdoor kitchen and balcony that leads right into a spacious backyard. Not to forget, it already has a hot tub. So we made it to our second new construction home. Now, one thing to consider when buying a new build is the cost. New homes usually come with a higher price tag, thanks to all the modern amenities and upgraded materials. Plus, you're kind of paying for the newness factor. While new homes are pricier, they also offer a lot of benefits. They're built to the latest safety codes. You won't have to worry about any major repairs or renovations for a while. Many even come with builder warranties. A nice thing about all the homes we are looking at today is that if you have young children, they're all walking distance from the elementary school. Now, in this home behind me, no detail was missed on this terrain signature property built in 2024. This one is even larger than the last, with 4,532 square feet of living space and an additional 628 square foot guest suite above the garage. Right here, it has its own kitchen and separate entrance, making it a versatile space for guests or just whatever you decide. Something great about new construction is that everything is new, from the roof to the plumbing. You can expect fewer repairs and lower maintenance costs in the first few years on new construction homes. Many new homes also come with builder warranties, kind of as I mentioned earlier, which can cover potential issues that arise after you move in. Even though the home is brand new, I still highly suggest that you get a home inspection. Gotta do the inspection, being that new homes can still have defects, right? Now, new homes are often equipped with the latest technologies such as smart home systems, integrated security features, and advanced wiring for high-speed internet. This can be a significant advantage for homeowners who want to be connected with their homes. This home was listed for under $2.6 million and comes with 4 bedrooms and 5 baths. What really stands out to me is the attention to detail. The chef's kitchen is really a dream, with high-end appliances and large butler's pantry with a second refrigerator and a wet bar. Plus, the outdoor kitchen and heated covered sitting area is perfect for year-round entertaining. Not to mention, the home is already framed up for a future elevator. For enhanced functionality, there's also an office on the main level separate from the main living area, and a bonus room on the second level with access to a private patio that can be used for various purposes such as an office or den, or even a family room. New homes are built to meet the latest health and safety code, including fire-resistant materials, modern electrical wiring, and improved air quality systems. This can provide a peace of mind knowing that your home is up to current standards. Since everything in the home is new, brand new, you won't even worry about immediate renovations, upgrades, which can save time, stress, and a whole lot of money or dinero. Now let's go ahead and move on to our final home we're going to be looking at today. Now we're going to switch gears a bit for this next property we're going to take a look at. Normandy Park doesn't have a ton of condos or townhomes because it is such a small city. And in regards to future construction communities, I think it's safe to say development like this is what you're gonna probably see most. Since land here is kind of limited. These homes you see here range from just over 1,300 square feet to just over 2,200 square feet. And these units are anywhere from 2 or 3 baths, and each has a 2-car tandem garage. This community also includes units perfect for someone who wants to run a business from home. The ones on the main street over here have offices on the bottom floor just for that purpose. What's really cool about this area too, in these townhomes, is right across the street you have shopping, which is QFC, and restaurants as well. Now, these units range from 1,200 square feet up to 1,700 square feet of living space on the top floors, combined with 2 bedrooms and 2 baths, 2.5 baths, sorry, and a den on those units on the corner with the offices. The second floor has open concept living, dining, kitchen, and a half bath, while the third floor you have an additional 2 bedrooms and both full bathrooms. The bottom floor office spaces range from over 400 square feet to just under 700 square feet and include a small bathroom for your clients. So with the office spaces, I know that one of the smaller units sold last year for just under $700,000. All these homes will come with high quality stainless steel appliances, LVP flooring, and open living spaces. Now, what's really cool is last year, Brandon and I had a chance to tour one of these properties, actually right over here, and we were really amazed and impressed on how well that they maximize all the space. So I made it back to my office, and there were a few more things I wanted to make sure I touched on. When buying a new home, you may have options to customize features like flooring, cabinetries, countertops, and paint colors. Some builders also even allow for structural changes such as adding a room or altering layouts. If you wanted to customize a new home Here in Normandy Park, you would probably need to purchase an older home, have it torn down, and work with a builder to build a new home for yourself of what you wanted. In some areas, new homes are often part of a planned community that offers amenities like parks, swimming pools, gyms, and of course walking trails, because this is Western Washington. These amenities and communities are designed to provide a certain lifestyle, which can be a big draw for some of the buyers out there, you know. On the other hand, with these amenities often come monthly HOAs, which can be somewhat off-putting to some. We all know that new homes are appealing. They're shiny, modern, and all the latest features. But like anything, there are some downsides you should be aware of before making that decision. So if you're thinking about buying a new construction, I'm going to break down some of the potential challenges you might face when purchasing new construction. First off, let's talk about cost, right? New homes often come with a premium price tag. Builders charge more for the newness of the home, and if you want any upgrades or customization, well, that can be more. It can really add up, right? A lot of buyers don't realize that things like landscaping, window coverings, or even finishing a basement are often extra. So while the base price may seem manageable, those additional costs can sneak up on you real quick, right? And speaking of hidden costs, don't forget the potential for higher property taxes in new developments. That's something to keep in mind when you're budgeting. I know from experience, because I've built a home, that those costs really do add up quite fast. Next up is location. Many new homes are built on the outskirts of town and development areas. This can mean a longer commute to work or less access to amenities like schools, shopping, or parks. And if you're one of the first to move into a new neighborhood, be prepared for noise and dust from ongoing construction. It can take months, sometimes even years, before anything is finished all the way through, before everything is done, right? Or built out. There's nothing like waking up to the sound of hammering next door every morning for an extended length of time. Now, let's talk about quality. Even with modern construction techniques, new homes can still have defects, as I've said earlier, which is why getting a home inspection is still so important. Plumbing, foundation settling, and electrical issues might not show up right away, but believe me, they are going to. That's why it's also important to check the reputation of the builder. Not all builders are created equal, and some might cut corners to save costs. A little research can go a long way. Here's something a lot of buyers don't think about: the character of the home. New developments tend to feature homes that look all very similar. You might get the cookie cutter feel, where every house is on blocks, has the same layout or design. If you're someone who values unique architecture or a home with history, this might be a downside for you. And don't forget, mature landscaping won't be a thing. Trees and gardens and new builds are often minimal, and it can take years before all that really grows and really adds curb appeal to the neighborhood. One thing that can throw a wrench in all your plans is in construction delays. That can cause a big wrench. Maybe it's bad weather, labor shortages, or supply chain issues, but delays are pretty common with new builds. And this can push back your move-in date sometimes by several months. If you're selling your current home and planning a move around a certain date, this can create some serious headaches for buyers. Not to mention, if the housing market shifts while your home is being built, you might end up paying more than it's worth by the time it's done. It's kind of a big risk you take sometimes when buying those homes. Another con to be aware of is the lack of negotiation power. Builders typically aren't as flexible on price as individual sellers. Instead of dropping the price, they might offer incentives like upgraded appliances or closing cost assistance. But at the end of the day, the base price usually pretty firm. And while you should always get a home inspection, builders might not be as willing to fix minor issues as they would with an older home. After all, the house is brand new, right? Lastly, let's talk about HOAs. Many new developments have homeowners associations, which can come with strict rules about what you can and can't do with your property, right? Yeah, those rules can be pretty limiting. Things like the color you can paint your home, how you maintain your yard or lawn, or even where you can park your car. And don't forget those ongoing HOA fees, which can be monthly, yearly, or semi-annually. Those fees can increase over time as the community ages and it requires more maintenance. So it's something to factor into your long-term budget. I would say understanding these benefits and drawbacks of purchasing a new construction home can help you in making the best decision best for your individual needs and preferences. Buying a home is a big step, and we're here committed to being your partner throughout the entire journey. We want you to feel confident and supported every step of the way. So if you're thinking about buying a home in the Puget Sound area, schedule a chat, shoot us a text, or give us a call. All our contact information is in the description box below. Thank you again for joining me today. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell so you never miss an update. And if you have any questions or topics you'd like us to cover for future videos, drop a comment below. We'd love to hear from you. Until next time, explore, dream, and discover the best places to call home.